When you begin the process of installing the film on the glass cases, begin by cutting your film to the size of the glass that you are installing it on. Either use a film handler or a flat table with a ruler and measuring tape. Try to cut your film to have at least a 1/16 inch gap all the way around. Next, when you're ready to start installing the film, begin by scraping the glass to remove any debris. Scraping will help to remove certain glass particles or any different debris that is on the glass. After you scrape the glass, respray the glass and go ahead and squeegee it out with your 12-inch black squeegee. This will help to remove any debris that was not removed by the scraper. Once you're ready to install, peel some of the film back, roll it up into a tight tube. This will help to handle it better. Pull a small portion, begin to spray your glass, or you can spray the film directly. Lay the film on the glass and begin to roll it. Once you've completely rolled the film on the glass, pull the liner off. And then respray the top of the film to make it easier for squeegeeing. Tack it down or lock it in place in one section and begin to squeegee from left to right. Try to keep your squeegee blade 6 inches or halfway down your squeegee every time you squeegee down the glass. Do not overlap or go into different sections. Once you've squeegeed all the water out, you can either squeegee again or you can begin cutting. If you have overhang, try to cut the film with at least a 1/16 inch gap. After cutting a section of film off, if you have overhang, re-squeegee that area in case there is any film lifting. Once installed, dry all your edges so that no water is stuck around the film. You can see that there is a small 1/8 to 1/16 inch gap all the way around. This will help to prevent the film from peeling. If you do have overhang, here's a close-up picture of cutting the film along the edge. Hold your blade along the edge of the glass and let the blade do its work. On the corners, it's recommended to do a radius cut such as this one to prevent the film from lifting when cleaning. The sharp corners will cause the film to lift if it is come in contact with a rag.